लास्ट 2018 सेमेस्टर 3 ऑल ऑफ द टेस्ट इलेक्ट्रिशियन थ्योरी पेपर इस रेलवे में ग्रुप डी किसी भी एग्जाम में पूछे जा सकते हैं। आप इस क्वेश्चन के देखिए, प्रिपेयर कीजिए। और जो इलेक्ट्रिशियन ITI से है उसके लिए भी इसका क्वेश्चन बड़ा गुरुत्व पन्ना है। तो इस पार्ट 2 है, मैं पार्ट 1 एक अगले वीडियो में बना चुका हूँ। तो चलिए वीडियो की स्टार्ट करते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 26, इन ए फ्लोरोसेंट ट्यूब पिक्चर if the tube does not strike a glow but both filament glow red, the possible defect is answer D, the stator connected the permanently salted. Question 27, the electrical wiring in a factories and industries is done by surface metal conduit. Question 28, the magnetic operating limit of C type of MCBs is 5 to 10 times of a rated current. The magnetic operating limit of C type of MCBs is 5 to 10 times of the rated current. 29 question, which one of the following lamps has the longest operating life? Which one of the following lamps has the longest operating life? Answer LED light lamp. LED lamp, full from light emitting diode. Question 30, who is the glower in connected with 230 volt AC supply and armature is placed over it? The arrangement behaves like a transformer. A motor normally fixed to a domestic vacuum cleaner is universal motor. A motor normally fixed to domestic vacuum cleaner is universal motor. 32, the type of single phase induction motor having the highest power factor at full load is capacitor run type. The type of single phase induction motor having the highest power factor at full load is capacitor run type. Question 33, the method of breaking an induction motor by interchanging the supply to of the stator phase winding in collect plunging. The answer A. 34, if the 3-phase induction motor is switched on with one phase disconnected, the motor will burn out. Answer B, burn out. If the 3-phase induction motor is switched on with one phase disconnect, the motor will burn out. Question 35, the running of induction motor at slow and steady speed much less than the actual speed is known as crawling. Answer A, crawling. Question 36, the distribution of load between two alternators operating the parallel can be changed by changing. Answer D, the driving torque of prime movers. Question 37, a 3-phase synchronous motor connected to AC mains is running at full load and unity power factor if its safety load is reduced by half with field current held constant. Its new power factor will be leading. Question 38, the starting torque of the slip ring induction motor can be increased by inserting a suitable resistance is series with the rotor circuit of the motor. The starting torque of the slip ring induction motor can be increased by inserting a suitable resistance in series with the rotor circuit of the motor. Question 39. The glower instrument is made in each type of iron core. Each type of iron core. Each type of iron core. The voltage 40 question. The voltage regulation of the alternator with power factor of 0.8 lagging is greater than at unity power factor. Is greater than at unity power factor. Is greater than unity power factor. 41. A ceiling fan use capacitor starter motor. The ceiling fan uses capacitor starter motor. आप इसका स्क्रीनशॉट भी लिख सकते हो, स्क्रीनशॉट ले लिए। 42. The voltage regulation of an alternator is larger than that of a DC generator because of complex effect of armature reaction. Complex effect of armature reaction. The voltage regulation of alternator is larger than that of DC generator because of answer C, complex effect of armature reaction. 43. If the excitation of the alternator operating in parallel with other alternators is increased above the normal value of excitation, its answer B, power factor becomes more lagging. Power factor becomes more lagging. Question 44. Which of the following is not a part of alternator satisfaction plate? Type D, type of winding. Which type of following is not a part of alternator satisfaction plate? Type of winding. Question 45. A single phase hysteresis motor can run at synchronous speed only. The single phase hysteresis motor can run at synchronous speed only. Question 46. The direction of rotation of the hysteresis motor the received by shaft shaded pole with respect to main pole. Question 47. The motor used in domestic mixture grinder is universal motor. The motor used in domestic mixture grinder is universal motor. Question 48. A stepper motor is two-phase motor. A stepper motor is a two-phase motor. A stepper motor is a two-phase motor. A stepper motor is a two-phase motor. Question 49. The difference between the speed of a rotating magnetic field and the associated rotor is called answer C, slip. करेक्ट स्लिप। इस क्वेश्चन को आंसर लगे किसी को भी डाउट है तो मुझे कमेंट कर सकते हो, और इस तरह का वीडियो पाने के लिए मेरे इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए। मैं हर दिन टुडे जॉब नोटिफिकेशन और भी ऑनलाइन एप्लीकेशन का वीडियो लाता रहता हूँ। तो लास्ट क्वेश्चन, द स्लिप रिंग इंडक्शन मोटर हैव रोटर फेज ओन्ड। द स्लिप रिंग इंडक्शन मोटर हैव रोटर फेज ओन्ड। द फेज ओन्ड आंसर ए। पूरे वीडियो देखने के लिए धन्यवाद।